Okay, this video is to help with 9.1, homework number 9. Find the 8th term in the sequence. So one trick is that the first number is always going to be the first term. So -2 is our first term, and then we could just keep labeling them. So the 5th term would be 2. And we could just keep going 6, 7, 8. So that would give us, if we just follow the pattern of going up by 1, that would give us an 8th term of 5. The other way do this is actually that's probably the easiest way. If you later we'll learn a formula for finding the nth term, and right now I guess we don't know that formula, so maybe I misspoke there a little bit, but basically the formula will be the first term plus the amount we go up by times n minus 1. So in this case we start at -2 and go up by 1, n minus 1 times, so that on the 8th term we have -2 and we went up 1 7 times. We do 8 minus 1 there, so we have -2 plus 7, and that'll give us 5. That's another way to do it. But this is, I guess, more in section 9.2. You learn about that. For now, I guess just extend it out, and the 8th term is 5.